Hello guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel, David Roik. Based on our just concluded video on how to link your payment method to your Upwork account, I think that is concluded already. So now, what I promise us is the next video, which will be how to send a proposal on Upwork. How to send a proposal on Upwork? You have to compose a very compelling proposal before you can win jobs, win projects. So it's just as if you are being told to write a proposal to a company. Maybe you want to seek for a job in a company. So you are told to write a proposal to gain that particular position of that job. Or you are a company, you want to get a project, particular project, then you are told to write a proposal to be hired for the project. So it comes in different ways. So and it takes a well composed and well structured combination of words to be able to send a proposal to a particular buyer request and win that kind of project. So and before you say you want to win a particular project, then you must be trusted. Mainly, your account should be a verified account on Upwork. So, but Upwork will be the one to verify your account. They will give you a notification if you're ready to be approved. If you're ready to be approved, Upwork will give you a notification. So yeah, let me continue with our video on the Upwork proposal to send proposal. So after we've completed our profile, link our payment method, I still have 33 available connect. So now as an expert in your field or in the area of your expertise. Maybe you're an e-commerce expert, you different services, different services. So your expertise will determine how you compose a particular buyer request, send proposal to buyer request. So now let's assume here is a project, that is a particular request. So these are jobs. We call it jobs on Upwork. We call it buyer request on Fiverr. But Fiverr is no more bringing out buyer request. So I will make a video on how Fiverr works now. What you need to do to rank your gig to first page on Fiverr without the buyer request, because buyer request has been cancelled on Fiverr already. So what is left on Fiverr is margin. So, but here on Upwork, you can send proposal to win jobs. So now let's take this particular proposal for an example. So here, let's take the second one. Say Shopify. Make sure all e-commerce platforms are connected and operating smoothly. Now, let me say I want to, based on my own expertise. So So you can see I'm sending proposal for the first time on this account. So you can watch this video to learn more about uh, proposals, how to send a proposal. So once you watch it, then you can have more idea. So now once I click on that particular jobs, this is what is brought. It brought me. It brings up this page. It says apply, save jobs, and more. So it said I'm going to use 4 connect to send this proposal. So out of the 33 connect I have available. So which means they are going to deduct 4 connect from the 33 connect, which will be left with, I will be left with around 20, that's 20, is it 29? I think I will be left with around almost, yeah, 29 connects. I'll be left with 29 connect. So what does the job reads? What does it say? It says we have a Shopify page and it's already designed. First thing first, when you're sending a proposal, before you say you want to send a proposal to a particular buyer request, You have to digest what the request is saying particularly. And what is this request saying? So now you have to first check if your location is pertaining to what is being required because it has a requirement. So you can see this is worldwide, which means you can send a proposal to this request based on. So it was posted 1 hour ago. So once you see any request posted 1 hour ago, you can still send it. We have almost 15 to 20 proposals has been sent already. So almost 15, let's say they say it's almost 20 proposal that has been sent already. So you can as well send it. So your buyer will be the one to choose the experts for himself. So you can just check, yeah, you have already been interviewing one person, invite has been sent to three. So on our side, so the client has logged in 11 minutes ago. So for this kind of proposal, I don't always send it because he has been interviewing someone already because that would just be a wasted connect. It will be a wasted connect. So all those jobs I'm looking after are jobs posted maybe 6 minutes ago like this one. So we have only less than five. So immediately I send this one, the buyer will be able to see it immediately and I can get hired immediately. So this one was posted 21 minutes ago. So if you want to see recently posted jobs, once you go to jobs, click on the most recent. Once you see most recent, you'll see those jobs posted some seconds ago, some minutes ago, hours ago. So like this one, it was posted 21 minutes ago. It says looking for a pass for a site, Shopify. So I have someone who is an expert in modifying and improving things programmatically and adding what I need and experience in writing content and improving a site through search sites and as experience with dropshipping. I have almost I have almost experience in most of these things, but I like professionalism and experience, and I prefer someone who speaks Arabic. So can you see this is a requirement-based proposal, which means you can be able to speak Arabic. You must be able to speak Arabic with this kind of proposal. You must be able to speak Arabic. So, and apart from being able to speak Arabic, you must be a professional before you send this proposal because this person has the knowledge already. So you can be asked questions times without number before you get hired from this kind of uh, buyer. So now this one was posted 29 minutes ago, which means proposal of 5 to 10 has been sent already, which is simple problem. Said repair Shopify layout conflict of chat, widget, and mobile footer menu. Simple problem. You can navigate to my website, which can be found here. So it gave us a link so you can check it. On your mobile device, have a look at the sticky button feature, namely menu and chat. You will see that the chat is too low. Chat is from Zoho Sales. The website is Shopify. I'm attaching the image with arrows to the issues that need to be solved. So this person has indicated that all he needs has been highlighted with an arrow so that it can be easy for you to know what issue is trying to solve. So as an expert, you must be able to know that's what where the area of correction should be. So in your proposal must contain the problem, the particular problem, stating you've seen the problem the person needs, so and so. So now after you have stated the problem the person has, so you must be able to give the solutions to the problem because these are your maybe you have a past experience on it. You can just give the person a past experience you have on it. And if you don't have a past experience, you can just tell the person you have uh you can able to work on this thing for this kind of person based on your expertise. So if you have the experience, you can just share the experience. You can give the experience on the proposal, and if not, you can just give a particular content to convince the seller the buyer that you can do the particular project for that kind of person. So I said I want to use one as a and as an example. So yeah, I want to use this one as an example. They said we have a Shopify page and it's already designed. Looking for minor changes and to clean it up some, make it more user friendly, but also make sure everything is set up correctly. We would like to make sure all shopping platforms, i.e. Instagram, Facebook, Square, are all connected and customers are direct to lead to the same place for checkout. So now let's say we want to send a proposal to this particular request. So the fixed price for this is $200. So which means be ready to be charged 20% on this amount because Upwork will charge you 20%. So this buyer is from United States and he has verified his payment method with this platform already, Upwork. So he has zero total spent, which means this person should be a new buyer on this. So he has been a member since 2020, but he's just buying. So now going back to here, then you have to click apply. So once you click apply, so then you have to choose a use connect to submit proposal. Yeah, we know already we are going to use connect to submit a proposal. If you don't have a connect, you have to get 20 free connects to get started. Okay, you get 20 free connects to get started. Purchase additional ones for 0.5 each, which means one connect is for 0.15. So 10 connect is for 1.5 cents. That's $1.05. So this one is just 15 cents. This is it, 15 cents. So you have to, that means you get one connect for 15 cents. So you'll be given a 20 free connect, and every month I think you'll be given a free 10 connects every single month. Beginning of the month you'll be given 10 free connects based on your free plan. If you upgrade your plan, then you get higher connects to be added to you every single month. So it's been says connect our virtual tokens for submitting job proposals. Without this connect, you can't send proposals. If your connectors is exhausted, then that means you won't be able to send proposal on Upwork. And if you're unable to send proposal on Upwork, then you are not liable to receive any project on Upwork. So now each job requires up to 6 connects, depending on the size and project type. So each project depends on uh size of the project depends on how much connect it will be charged. Some can be 2 connect, some can be 1 connect, some can be 6 connect, but the maximum is 6 connect. So now let's close this and continue. Then you have to choose the profile proposal settings. So this is called proposal settings. So you have to choose a profile for that particular service you want to render, which means you are rendering a development service. So this is e-commerce development, e-commerce website development. So it's a development service, which means this person is trying to make some redesign. So it's still among development. So now if this project is a milestone, which means maybe you want the person wants to be paying based on the completion of the project. Maybe you completed they want maybe your buyer want to make it a step-by-step project. Once you complete a step, maybe you have this thing works well when you are marketing. When you're into marketing, maybe you give the buyer different marketing plan. Maybe you give the buyer email marketing, influencer marketing. So then once you are maybe you give the buyer this milestone project. The milestone project, you have to describe that kind of project you want to do for that first milestone. Then you add the due date, the day you complete it, the amount, then another milestone. So that means it is a different step project for milestone, but a fixed project whereby you have to collect your money once you finish everything. See, that's by project. So the by project gives us the amount the buyer indicated in that particular proposal, which means you will be charged $40, which is 20% of the money your buyer is paying to this is bidding for this project. So Upwork will charge $40 from it. Then you'll be left with $160 after you have completed the project. Then you have to choose how long you want this project to take. You will be able to complete this project. So now this buyer indicated here that the project should be I think okay, this person the buyer didn't add the days in it needs to be completed. Sometimes some do add it. For example, this one says less than 1 month. So you have to as well add it here that this thing is what less than 1 month based on how the days you can use in completing it. So I always choose less than 1 month because it's just minor changes. So this is where you put your content. This is where you put your content describing your experience with this project and how you can do it for the buyer. So now let's start. I said I'm choosing this from my head, so I'm based on the experience I have with Shopify. So I'm using that to compose this kind of proposal to the buyer. So I said hi. So if you know the name of the buyer, you can just put the name. So if you don't know the name, just write hi. just put hi, um, I'm David, as part in the field of commerce development. So, and it's marketing. Yeah, so I've introduced myself to the buyer. Then I have to give the experience, like how many years I've been to this field for. Uh, then yes, it's success rates more than, and give the amount of projects you have concluded. You can just say 3 years of, with more than 3 years of working experience on this field. Okay, so now I've concluded that line. So now I have to state what the problem is. He said he needs. He said he needs uh with minor changes to clean it up, to clean his website up. So I will have to state it here that I can see in your request that you need an expert. Or you can say a professional and expert to fix minor changes. Or to say minor experts to make changes to your Shopify website. Shopify website. Yeah. After that, it says make it more user friendly, but also make sure everything is set up correctly. To make changes, so make sure you check your spellings very well to your Shopify website. You are about to make changes to your Shopify website and make it user friendly. So to avoid wasting much of my time, I have different templates of proposal already. So that's how I'm going to complete everything. Once I finish this, I have to put, once I state the problem of the buyer, then I have to give the solutions to the buyer. I'm going to do, how I'm going to do it. So he has to make me something on the store, admin, give me admin section. I have to fix the layout design, stuff like that. So that's how I'm going to explain everything to the person inside this proposal, in this cover letter. So once I explain, I can just attach two or three or four samples of my previous project I've completed of Shopify store. Then if I have pictures of other stores, if it is picture I have, if it is link, I add this to the cover letter. If it is picture I have to upload it as well. So once I upload it, I finish everything. Then these are people who have bidded for this project. Someone uses Connect. The first place person uses Connect to bid. Second place use 5 Connect. Third place use 5 Connect. So you as well can send for 4 Connect, but you will be below these people. But if you want to increase your bid, you can set your a bid. You can put 7 bid based on how much bids you have. If you have a lot of bits, you can increase the bits you're using, because it will place your proposal at the top of everybody's proposal so that your buyer can be able to see it as soon as possible. So once you set your bid, you can set it here. I can set it at 7. So I can say bid for 7. So it will take me to the first place. So I have different templates for my services I render for this e-commerce development service for marketing. So I have my template. For example, this is my template for my Shopify store development. I have a template for it, a lot of templates. So yeah, you can see complete sales funnel guide. If I want to give my buyer a sales funnel guide on what I want to do, these are e-commerce templates that I have available. E-commerce website proposal template. So you have to go and compose yours. So I have my own already. These are, you can see, e-commerce marketing plan full blueprint. e-commerce marketing plan, e-commerce marketing plan, e-commerce offer one, e-commerce store email. So different, you can see different templates of that I've composed so to send that matches different proposal I'll be sending on Upwork. So now, to make it easy for you, you are not the type of person that can compose proposal very well. So just go to other freelancing sites that also sends proposal like Freelancer or Guru. Let's go to guru.com. Let's take guru.com for example. So you can just go to guru.com, sign up as a buyer you want to buy. So yeah, you can just click post a job. So it will ask you to sign in, give your job title, e-commerce de- development. Now you can just come here and compose. You can even post what the buyer says here. You can just copy and paste what the buyer says here. You can just copy and paste and come and paste here. Once you paste, you don't need to upload. You can just you're going with because this is a development project. You have to pick the programming and development. And what is the programming and development based on? Is based on website and development design. Let's say e-commerce. So e-commerce is not there, so you have to go with website development and design. So then it will now bring what type of website, which is an e-commerce website. So after picking an e-commerce website, you can say e-commerce website development as well. So now it will ask, is it a fixed price? Because you are not hiring anybody yet. You just want to uh, take some proposal from this. You want to get idea of how to send proposal to your buyers from this proposal you want to send on Guru. So you can just pick under 250 or just 250 to attract more people to send proposal to you. So feasible to everyone. Location should be anywhere so that you can get different tons of uh, proposal so that you can summarize different proposal together to compose a full proposal for your own. Then you can just go to post and get quotes now. So I haven't signed up. I have to sign up first before I'm able to post. So I have to sign up with my email. So after signing up, then yeah, agree, proceed. So be careful. They sometimes they reject the proposal you posted. Guru always dictates if you didn't complete your account setup. So Guru might disable your suspend your account or just you cannot get what do they call it? You might not get response if you didn't set up your account properly. So it says your job has been submitted successfully. We are reviewing your job. Once it is approved, you can receive quotes. So we have to wait to get the the job approved. So it's still under review. So once it has been accepted, then I can proceed with receiving different proposal. So along the line, before we say we receive proposals, let's go and review different proposals. So now this is a new account. I have an older account I've been using before, so I just want to show you the response of different proposals I've sent, the message I've gotten from them. So now here's my Upwork account or my former Upwork account. So as you can see, I'm working with someone already. So this is one of my clients on Upwork. So I work with this person as well. So this person makes the project an milestone project in which he has not paid my money completely. So and is not back online yet. So and as well, this person as well. So I have received at least I've received 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11 messages. I've received 11 messages on this account, and from these 11 messages, I've received projects from 3 people from 11 messages. And the total proposal I've sent on this account, I've sent at least, let me show you the proposal, because if you are not getting results as soon as possible, so you should not ever give up, because you can't know the time you will get a message. So you have to just keep on sending your proposal till you receive messages, because your account is relatively new, so buyers might not trust you as soon as possible. But once you are getting reviews on your account, then your buyers continues to trust you and give you more projects. So I submitted some projects before. Now, before I've submitted some projects that have been achieved, some have been completed. So you can see the total number of achieved projects, which means I've sent 196 proposal. So coupled with these active ones, uh, which is I've submitted seven plus the 190, which means I've sent over 200 plus proposals on this account. You can see how many connect I've wasted on this account. So I've bought on this account, and to make this amount of money on this account. So this is what I've been able to make on this account. So these are the amount I've been able to make. The overall amount I've been able to make, that's $100 plus on this account, and which means in which my uh fund hasn't been paid fully based on this person. He hasn't paid the remaining half of the project, so which will make it almost $200 earned from this platform. So once I completed the ongoing project, because there's an ongoing project as well, which should be almost $300 for me, I'll be making on Upwork based on the proposal I've been sending. So next video I'll be making, it will be on how to create project on Upwork. You can see I have two projects here. So back to the account we were using before, because I created a new account for the training. So I don't want to use my old account for the training. I want us to go through all the process together. So I'll be using my own templates to send proposal. So as you create a new account, use a new proposal to start your account. So let's see how things will be going. So once I finish all this, I can just click send. So once I send, the buyer receives my proposal, and if he's able to review it, it will message me. So let's see if this has been accepted. Yeah, it's still under review. So I bet they might deny this, or uh live the, so it's still under review. Still under review. So I pray this thing is released immediately. So because uh Google always disables account sometimes based on, or do not approve proposals. So after this has been done, I don't want this video to be much longer than this. So I think I'll be pausing this video here. I'll be pausing this video here. So then once I receive proposals from this uh, guru, so that I'll make the next video on the concluding part of how to send a professional buyer request to your buyers on Upwork. So I'll be ending this video now to make it a bit short, so that we won't be having a longer conversation here. Then we'll be having the concluding conversation on the concluding part of the proposal. Are you getting me? So don't forget to subscribe to my channel, David Rake. So you can click at the bell icon to as well receive notification of newly video posted, because we are going a long way, because there are different videos I'll be making on this platform to help young minds make some dollars online as a freelancer with, within the comfort of your home. So see you in the next video.